The Silly Monkey Story. It was a bright sunny day in the jungle. The birds were chirping, the leaves were glistening, and Benny the monkey was up to no good, as usual. Benny swings wildly on a branch. Benny, this is fun. But what else can I do today? Oh, I know. I'll play a trick on Mia the parrot. Benny had a cheeky grin as he swung toward Mia, who was perched calmly on a branch, enjoying her morning. Benny, hey, Mia. Look at that banana tree over there, it's magical. It gives out candy if you shake it. Mia looks skeptical. Mia, Benny, are you making this up again? You always tell silly stories. Benny, trust me, Mia. It's true. Just go and shake the tree. Mia flew over and started shaking the tree, only for a swarm of bees to fly out. Mia, oh. Benny. What have you done? Benny laughs uncontrollably. Benny, that was hilarious. You should have seen your face, Mia. Benny wasn't satisfied with his mischief, he wanted to play a prank on the villagers next. Benny sneaks into the village. Benny, ooh, look at all these fruits in their market. I bet I can take some without them noticing. Benny grabbed a handful of fruits and ran back to the jungle, hiding them under a bush. Villagers realize their fruits are missing. Villager 1, who took our fruits? Villager 2, I bet it's that silly monkey again. The villagers decided to set a trap for Benny. They placed a basket of fruits under a net and waited nearby. Benny arrives, eyeing the basket greedily. Benny, more fruits. They're just leaving them here for me. As Benny reached for the basket, the net sprang up, catching him. Benny, oh. Villager 1, gotcha, Benny. You can't keep stealing from us. The villagers brought Benny to Max the elephant, who was known for his wisdom. Max, Benny, you're always causing trouble. It's time you learned a lesson about kindness and honesty. Benny, but I just wanted to have fun. Max, fun doesn't mean hurting or tricking others. You need to use your energy for good. Benny thought about Max's words and felt guilty. Benny, I'm sorry, everyone. I promise to behave from now on. Villager 2, if you help us with our chores, we'll share our fruits with you. Benny, really? That sounds great. Narrator, Benny kept his promise and started helping the villagers. He carried baskets, cleaned up, and even planted new fruit trees. Mia watches from a branch. Mia, Benny, I'm proud of you. You've changed for the better. Benny, thanks, Mia. It feels good to be helpful. Benny became friends with everyone, and the jungle was happier than ever.